So how do you upload something to Seesaw without having an activity assigned? You just click on the Add button. This will show up. If you want to record a video right now, you click here. If you want to take a photo of your work, you can click here. If you already have a photo or a video, you can simply click Upload. I already took my video, so I'm going to select it from my computer. If you're using your iPad, it will just go to your camera roll. Find the movie or the photo and click Open. Once you have your video done and uploaded, or your photo, you simply click here on the check mark. It will ask you to select your name, and then you click on the check mark again, and then it will ask you where you want to put it. Click on the Math folder. And now you're all done.